Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a tutorial on this makeup look right here. This is actually what I was wearing in my Maybelline Superstay Foundation review, and I had a lot of requests to do a tutorial on this makeup look, so I decided to do that for you today. I really love how it turned out. The earrings match perfectly with this eye look. I think it's crazy. I think it's so pretty. This is actually my go-to dramatic makeup look. So if you are interested on how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. I have one eye done. I'm going to do this eye. I'm going to put some concealer on my eyelid to act as a primer. A face pressed powder. I'm just going to get any powder. This is the Wet n Wild one. This is in the shade Warm Beige, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid just to set that concealer. So the first eyeshadow palette that I'm picking up is the Anastasia Prism palette. First I am going to pick up the shade Eden, and I'm going to apply that on the crease area. Pick up the shade Saturn, which is an orange matte shade, and I'm going to pick up a little bit with my Morphe M441 brush. The next eyeshadow palette that I'm picking up is the Makeup Revolution Flawless 3 Resurrection palette. First I'm going to pick up a mixture of those two shades. Apply that in the crease as well with the same Morphe brush. I'm going to pick up this shade right here with a thinner brush. I'm going to apply that in the crease as well. Next I'm going to take this Profusion Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Dazzling. I'm going to apply that to where I don't have anything on my eyelid. So right here in the inner part of my eyelid, I'm bringing it to the center. It's still wet on my eyelid. I'm going to take this Profusion Metallic Eye Pigment in the shade Opulent, and I'm going to pick up a little bit with a brush. It's a peachy duochrome gold pigment. It's so beautiful. I'm going to pick it up with a brush and apply it on top of that liquid shadow. Now I'm going to apply some liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to do a simple line. I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. And before I add eyelashes, I'm going to go in with the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in Crystal Silk, which is a gold eyeliner. I'm just going to apply a little bit of this where I have the gold on my eyelid, so it can be a little bit extra shiny. Going back to the Makeup Revolution palette, I'm going to pick up this shade and this shade. Again, adding that in the crease to deepen it. Now to deepen it up a little bit more, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is a grayish black shade. For lashes, I'm going to take the Miss 3D Volume Lash in the Style M314. I always talk about the Style M301. I love those, but I decided to try something different, and I love these lashes. They're beautiful. I've tried to sit down and record this makeup tutorial 3 times already, and it does not come out yet. Like, something always has to go wrong, so I'm hoping that this one comes out good. So now we're going to go on to the face. First I'm going to take the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer and just apply this all over my face. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 312 Golden. I've been loving this foundation. Like I said in my video, it's a little too orange for me, so I still have to go pick up another shade, but I'm going to use it today because that's what I had on in that video. I love this foundation, and I'm just going to blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with a peach concealer. This is from Fiona Stiles. And I just love going in with peach concealer for my under eye circles because it really does help color correcting them. And I'm going to apply this on my under eyes with a BH Cosmetics concealer brush. Now I'm going to take a beauty sponge and just blend it out. Now I'm going to take the Ulta Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Tan Warm. Y'all, if y'all haven't tried out this concealer, definitely try it out. It's so good. Honestly, comparable to like a high-end concealer. So now I'm going to take my beauty sponge and blend out the concealer. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finish Powder in the shade Fair Light, and I'm going to set my under eye concealer with this. Now I'm going to go in with brows. This is the BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio in the shade Light. I've been loving this brow palette. Perfect for on the go. I'm going to go in with the cream first and start filling in my brows. Go in with the dark powder. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. brow pencil in the shade Taupe and start filling in the inner part of my brow. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with bronzer. This is the ColourPop XLX's Ren bronzer and highlighter duo. Just start bronzing up my face. Now I'm going to take the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm going to take the middle shade and the lighter shade, mixture of both, and start contouring my face. Now I'm going to take the middle shade with a BH Cosmetics 119 brush, and I'm going to contour my nose. So now I'm going to go in with blush. I'm going to take this Profusion blush palette. I picked this up at Target a few weeks ago, and I only paid $3.48 for it. This is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I actually picked this up along with these Mixed Metals Eyes sets. These are what they look like. This is actually what I used on my eyes today. So I used the Gilded set. This is the Gilded set, more of a golden tone, and this one's the rose gold set. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness. So it comes with 2 liquid eyeshadows, a pigment, and a liquid liner. I did use this liquid eyeshadow today, and it's in the shade Dazzling, and then I used this eye pigment in the shade Opulent. So pretty. I just love the way it looks on my eyes. But yes, I picked these up along with this blush palette at Target, and these were only $4.98, regular price $9.99. So if you see these at your local Target, definitely pick them up. They're so pretty if you love glitter shimmer and all that, you'll definitely love these. I just love the way they look on my eyes. I wanted to go ahead and swatch these for you, just the liquid eyeshadows, because y'all, these are amazing. So here they are. This is the Gilded set, and this is the Rose Gold set. So here is the shade Dazzling, and here is the shade Gilded. This is more on the glittery side. And from the Rose Gold set, there is the shade Sienna, and then the shade Rose Gold, which is again the more shimmery one. And here is a swatch of the liquid eyeliner. I didn't swatch the pigments because they're super messy, but they're both really pretty. So I wanted to talk about these really quick because they remind me so much of the Stila liquid eyeshadows, but these remind me so much of them. You can see I'm rubbing it, and I'm rubbing super hard, and nothing's coming off. So if you see any of these sets, definitely pick them up. They're so good. I'm sure they're even cheaper now. Fun fact, Profusion was the first makeup brand that I ever started using. I would purchase their stuff from like Ross, TJ Maxx and stuff like that because they were really inexpensive. I hadn't tried this brand out in a while, so once I saw them at my local Target, I definitely decided to go ahead and try them out again and see how I like them. And I have tried them out, and I do really like their stuff. I think if you're barely starting out with makeup, Profusion is the way to go. You can find this brand anywhere. You can go to Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. Now you can possibly go to Target and they'll still have some Profusion stuff. I have seen them at Walgreens as well, so keep an eye out. But if you see anything by this brand, definitely pick it up. They're super inexpensive and super great quality. So I'm going to take this blush palette. I'm going to take the shade Lush, and I'm going to take a mixture of these two, which is Lush and Playful. Should I go in with a little bit of Juicy? Let's go in with a little bit of Juicy. It's a little bit too pigmented. Ooh, that's a little bit too much. Now I'm going to go in with my Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Soleil. This is a must-have for me. I use this all the time. Every time I do my makeup, this is just my go-to bronzer. So I like to apply this on the apples of my cheeks on top of my blush, just so I can have more of a bronze blush as opposed to a pinky blush. So I'm gonna apply that on the apples on my cheeks, and it does have a nice sheen to it, so it looks really nice and glowy. I'm also gonna apply this on my forehead and down the bridge of my nose. So it's definitely a must-have. If anyone ever asks me what my must-have makeup product is, it's this baby. So yeah, I always use this. I use this as eyeshadow sometimes. I use this as blush most of the time, but I really like to apply this over my blush and just as an all-over bronzer. I think it gives a beautiful finish to the makeup look. Alright, so now I'm going to finish up the eye makeup. I'm going to take this shade and this shade right here, and I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to apply this shade right here. And then I'm going to go back in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and apply this to my lower lashes. I remember saying how I didn't like this mascara, and I remember saying that my tube was extremely dry. But I remember thinking that I had a defected mascara. Something was wrong with it, so I decided to give it a second shot. I bought a new tube, giving it a second shot, and y'all, I really like this mascara. So I'm going to apply a black eyeliner pencil to my waterline. So now I'm going to set my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray. Just going to apply this all over my face. So now I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Looks like this. And I'm going to apply this on the high points of my face. I'm also going to apply this highlighter in my inner corner and my brow bone. For the last part, the lips. I'm loving this lip combo that I'm about to put on right now. Ugh, it's just so pretty. So first I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in the shade Chestnut. What else is new? I always use this all the time. This is my go-to lip liner. Too Faced Melted Chocolate Lipstick in the shade Chocolate Milkshake. This smells amazing. It smells so good. I had a lot of questions on what I was wearing in my lips in my Maybelline foundation review, and this was the combo that I was wearing, and I just love this color. Now I'm going to go in with the ColourPop lip gloss in the shade Aquarius. This is in collab with Kathleen Lights. This is the perfect nude lip gloss. Alright, so that is it for the makeup look. I'm going to go do something to my hair really quick and I'll be right back. The finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment down below on what video you would like to see from me next, because I really need suggestions. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
For lashes, I'm going to take this Miss 3D Volume Lash in the style M314. I always talk about the M301 shades. Oh, why do I keep calling them shades? Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade. Now I'm going to take the Kat Von D Shade and Light. Now I'm going to take the Kat Von D Shade and Light. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, we're just struggling.
Job site. Indeed is the world's #1 job site according to